Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the best body care combo for an attractive skin complexion. This body care combo is good for both any skin complexion, whether you have a fair skin, a dark skin, a caramel skin. You can make use of this body combo. Now this body care combo is going to be body soap, body serum, and body lotion. Yes, but before we go into this video, I just want to show you, or there's something that is making me so annoyed. No, I won't say so annoyed, but there's something that is not making me feel happy. Guys, can you see my head? Let me stand from this side. Can you see this cocoa here? Let me come closer. Guys, can you see this cocoa here? This is actually pimple. So can you even guess what is breaking me out? Like, I remember there was a time I filmed a video about the ordinary products, like the ordinary skincare product that I've made use of, and I said that one of their products, niacinamide serum, is breaking me out. Whereas if you have not watched that video, don't worry, I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box so you can follow that link to check out that video. Now the thing that is giving me this cocoa on my forehead, on this, not my forehead, but this side of my head, is this product. We all know this product. This is the COSRX Advanced Nail 96 Essence. This product here, like when I was even hearing that some people, this product don't work well for them, I thought it was even a joke. Well, let me don't shall say anything, but this product, it actually gives me other benefits to my skin. But this cocoa that is here, kilo day, I thought so that the ordinary niacinamide serum has solved it. Now this one is coming to give me cocoa, and I've been forcing myself to use this product because, let me shall don't talk because I'm actually annoyed. Well, let's dive right into the main business of today, which is this body care combo. Now the first body care combo is going to be the Kojie White Kojic Acid and Papaya Skin Brightening Soap. So this is the soap. Now for body serum, I'll be recommending the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Body Serum, this product here. Now for body lotion, I'll also be recommending the Vaseline Healthy Even Tone Body Lotion. So this is the first product combination coming to this soap, this Kojie White soap. I have noticed that this soap is actually beneficial to the skin. This soap is actually a brightening product that will help you to brighten your skin, even your skin complexion, to help you to reduce the appearance of dark spots on your skin. This soap is so good for uneven skin complexion. Now this soap is formulated with kojic acid, as the name states. Okay, now kojic acid that is found in this soap, we all know that it actually helps when it comes to reducing the appearance of dark spots on the skin. So yes, that is one of the benefits this soap is going to offer to your skin. Now this soap also contains papaya. Okay, now the combination of this papaya and kojic acid that is found in this soap, it is going to make this soap more active when it comes to brightening your skin. Now papaya on its own is a brightening ingredient that will actually help you to brighten your skin. So which means if you have like a dull skin, uneven skin complexion, you can make use of this soap. It contains ascorbic acid in it. It contains arbutin. Like arbutin is also good for targeting and reducing the appearance of pigmentation, and it contains licorice root extract. These are just some of the ingredients that are found in this soap. Now also this soap, you know, I mentioned that this soap contains papaya in it. It actually contains papaya enzymes, and this ingredient I mentioned to you, it's like an exfoliating ingredient. Although it is gentle on the skin, it's not a harsh ingredient on the skin. So because of this product contains this exfoliating, that is this papaya enzymes and other acids or actives, like I mentioned, it contains kojic acid, it contains arbutin, it contains ascorbic acid. Okay, it is actually advisable that you don't make use of this soap on a daily basis. You can use it on every other days. Okay, now this soap, on the manufacturer's list, they actually said that you can make use of this soap on your face and your body. So since the manufacturers has already approved that this soap can be used on the face and the body, it means that this soap can actually be used on the face and the body. Even if I know that these product combinations I'm giving to you are mainly focused on body use, now I only approved that you can make use of this soap on your face. Okay, don't go and make use of the body lotion or the body serum I'm going to be giving to you on your face. Okay, So that's for the soap that you can make use of. Now coming to body serum. Okay, when you're done cleansing your skin, after you're done cleansing your skin, the next step is applying a body serum before you apply your body lotion. Okay, the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Body Serum. This product, I see this product more of as a serum type of product. As a matter of fact, I make use of this product, although it's not this one I'm recommending to you. It is the other type. This is it here. This one is the Flawless Glow. The one I'm recommending to you is the Dewy Radiance. This is the one I'm recommending to you, but this is the one that I'm making use of. This one is the Flawless Glow. One of the things that just differentiates these two products is that this one contains retinol in it. Okay, why this one does not contain retinol in it? So I just decided to get this one, to try this one out for myself. But this one is also very, very good. So this is one that I am talking about. Okay, now this product, this is a treatment body serum that addresses skin concerns like discoloration, also uneven skin tone. This product is also a nice hydrating product. This body serum, yes, the reason why I said it is because even for making use of this one, I noticed that this one gives me added hydration, added boost of hydration on my skin. So yes, it's actually a good hydrating product. Now this one I'm talking of, this Dewy Radiance, it contains some key ingredients like niacinamide in it. Now niacinamide, we know that is a brightening ingredient, so niacinamide will help you to brighten your skin and improve your skin's radiance and also softness. This Vaseline serum also contains glutathione in it, or you can say Gluta Glow. Now the presence of this product, this glutathione, is going to help you to target and reduce discoloration, that is dark spots on your skin. That's like the work of this glutathione that is found in this body serum. So which means making use of this body serum will also help you to reduce discoloration on your skin. This product also contains high hyaluronic acid and glycerin. You know, I mentioned earlier that this product is going to hydrate your skin, and that is due to the presence of high hyaluronic acid and glycerin that is found in this product. So if you have like a dry skin, you can actually make use of this serum, but I will advise you to also make use of a lotion, because this will not give you that deep moisture that you need, okay, when you make use of a body lotion. This serum is lightweight, like sincerely speaking, it has, that's why I said I see this product more of like a serum. I know on the body of this product it is written body serum lotion, something like that, but I actually see this product more of a serum. The reason why is because it is very lightweight. It doesn't give you that deep moisturizing benefit, but it definitely helps to hydrate the skin. So that's just like that's the reason why I said that this product is actually lightweight. And of course, this product absorbs well into the skin. It does not like leave the skin feeling sweaty at all. No, I've never experienced that. Making use of the other one, I've never experienced that. Now this serum, it is more advisable that you make use of your body serum on a damp skin. Okay, like personally, when I've been making use of this particular one, I noticed that if I make use of this one on a damp skin, it's better than making use of it on a dry skin. So I'll advise you to actually make use of it on a damp skin. So in overall, making use of this serum will help you to even out your skin complexion. It will help you to brighten your skin. Coming in with a body lotion, and I'm also going to be recommending a Vaseline body lotion, because Vaseline products are actually nice. Like I think I'm beginning to fall in love with Vaseline products. Hey, Vaseline want to take me away from Nive. Let's see how it goes. But I think I'm beginning to fall in love with Vaseline products. So the Vaseline product I am going to be recommending is the Vaseline Healthy Even Tone Body Lotion. This product here, this product, I love the fact that this product is not so expensive. That's one of the reasons why I love this product. And I also love that this product is actually brightening on the skin. Now, this product contains niacinamide also. It contains niacinamide in it as its key brightening ingredient. Now, another reason why I'm recommending this product is that this product contains UV filters in it. As a matter of fact, it contains an SPF of 10 in it. Yes, I know it's not too much, but I mean, it still contains UV filter. There are a lot of body lotions out there that don't even contain UV filters in it. This one contains an SPF of 10, which will give you added sunlight protection benefits when you make use of it with your sunscreen. Okay, your sunscreen is very, very important. Now, like I mentioned earlier, that I love that this product actually helps to brighten your skin, but there's something that you need to note, and that is this product requires consistency. It requires more consistency, regular use even daily use. Yes, it actually requires daily use for you to like see more visible results. Okay, but in overall, this product will actually help you to brighten your skin, but it's something that is, it's not like a fast action product, let me put it that way. It's not really like a fast action product, but it will definitely help you to brighten your skin. And like I said, it is not so expensive. But you see that body serum, that Vaseline body serum I gave to you, oh my god, it's actually very brightening on the skin. It will actually help you to brighten and even out your skin complexion. Now, combining these three products together, we have already established the fact that the body soap is very, very nice when it comes to reducing dark spots and brightening the skin. The body serum is also a very good brightening body serum, and then the body lotion, it's also a nice brightening body lotion. So which means combining these three products, you should be expecting a brighter skin, a more even skin complexion. If you're having dark spots on your skin, it is going to gradually help you to fade dark spots on your skin. So this product combination can be used by all skin complexion. Yes, I know I said all skin complexion, and I also mentioned kojic acid, like the soap. As a matter of fact, this soap, I have seen people that like have dark skin and actually make use of this soap. This soap is not going to like make you fairer or anything. No, it's not going to do that. It's actually a nice soap. It's a brightening soap. Okay, you can actually make use of it whether you have a fair skin, dark skin, caramel skin. You can make use of it. Now, the second body combination, which is going to be the Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar Soap. Then the second product is going to be the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment Serum. Then the third product is going to be the Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion. Now, if you notice, this product that I'm giving to you, the soap I gave to you will not necessarily give you this brightening benefits to your skin. As a matter of fact, the reason why I brought this second combination is to focus more on things, something you can use in the night. Okay, something you can use in the night time. Now, one of the reasons why I brought in this soap is because this body serum contains actives. Like, sincerely speaking, it contains actives in it, which will actually assist your skin. But if you're bringing in too many active in soap, active in body serum, active in body lotion, it has the potential to increase skin sensitivity. That's the reason why I said, you know what, when it comes to the soap aspect, let's just dial it down. Let's just reduce this active. And then another reason why I brought in this Dove soap is because, do you know the body lotion I mentioned to you? I said it's a retinol body lotion. So it's very advisable that you actually make use of a gentle soap or a gentle cleanser. So there's nothing much to say again. All I'll just say is that this product is gentle on the skin. It is not going to like increase irritation or sensitivity on your skin. It is actually moisturizing on the skin. It doesn't leave the skin dry, but it is not going to give you this should I say massive glow. It is actually going to help you to brighten your skin, but it's more focused on reducing sensitivity. So let's don't dwell too much on this body soap. So let's come to the product that is actually going to give you glow on your skin. Like, it is actually going to help you to glow and brighten your skin. So for the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment Serum, I'm very sure that most of you have not heard about this product. And when I saw, like, I was actually browsing through the internet looking for Good Molecules products, like their body treatment products. You know, they have their discoloration correcting face serum, the one you can use on your face. But I was trying to find out if this product, if this brand actually has something for the body. And then I found out this product. And then I went through the ingredients list. I also went through their website of this product. I also searched online to see reviews of people making use of this product, and I fell in love with this product. I fell in love with their price list. Oh my god, this product is actually nice on the skin. Now, this product is specially a treatment product. Okay, I know it's a serum, but it's more of like a treatment product, which means it will help you reduce dark spots, uneven skin tone, you know, all those skin concerns. Now, this product contains a lot, like I said, it contains a lot of ingredients that are so nice and so loving, so beneficial to the skin. And these ingredients include 2% of niacinamide. Like, it contains niacinamide, a good brightening ingredient, but it contains it in 2%, which will help you to brighten your skin. This product also contains jojoba seed oil, very good for moisturizing. This product contains cetyltranexamate mesylate. Please, I'm not even going to repeat the pronunciation of this product, of this ingredient I just mentioned, but I'm going to write it for you on the screen. I don't want to bite my tongue. It contains 2% of this ingredient. Now, this ingredient I mentioned to you is actually a form of tranexamic acid. Now, the presence of this ingredients, or you can say this tranexamic acid, will actually help you to improve the appearance of dark spots on your skin, age spots, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, and also uneven skin tone. So these are just some of the ingredients that is found in this product, okay? And due to the presence of these ingredients, it will help you to brighten your skin and also fade or reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and also even out your skin complexion and get rid of a dull looking skin. Now, another benefit this product offers to the skin is that it is good for people that has dry and dehydrated skin. The reason why I said it is good for dry and dehydrated skin is because it contains 10% of glycerin. We all know that glycerin is good when it comes to hydrating the skin, right? This product contains 10% of glycerin in it, and it also contains jojoba seed oil, which I've already mentioned to you, which will help you to moisturize your skin and also hydrate your skin. So these are the two active ingredients when it comes to getting rid of dry and dehydrated skin. So in overall, this product can actually be used by all skin types, and it can also be used by all skin complexions. So whether you have a fair skin, caramel skin, or dark skin, you can make use of this good molecules body treatment serum. Now, the third product we are going to be combining for this product combination is going to be the Medix 5.5 retinol body lotion. We all know that retinol is very good when it comes to addressing premature aged skin, right? So this product, it has one of the functions it is going to give to you, and also this product will help you to even out your skin complexion. It will help you reduce the appearance of dark spots. Now, why am I saying this? Is because of retinol in it. Retinol is not only good for premature aged skin, okay? Retinol is also good for uneven skin complexion. So that's like the benefits, or one of the benefits this body lotion will offer to your skin. And also the ferulic acid in this Medix body lotion will help you to treat a sun damaged skin, thereby reducing the appearance of dark spots and also improving the skin tone. This body lotion is also good for all skin types, and it is good for all skin complexion. Now, just to wrap everything up, this product combination I gave to you, the Dove soap, the Good Molecules treatment serum, and also the Medix body lotion, it is going to help you to reduce the appearance of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and also assist you when it comes to addressing the signs of premature aging, like fine lines, wrinkles on the skin. And this benefit comes both from the serum and also from the body lotion. Also, this product combination is good for all skin types and all skin complexion. Now, one issue some people find when it comes to picking skincare products is that they tend to pick the wrong skincare products for their skin concern. Take for example, having uneven skin tone, having body acne, but they end up making use of another product that is not going to address that skin concern. Now, I have actually filmed a video that will help you, that will assist you when it comes to picking the right treatment body lotion for your skin concern. And also I shared good products that you can make use of for different skin concerns. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.